Sometimes it's just the little changes that Canva makes that make the difference, and not some of the big new features introduced. But today I just want to go through one that's a very simple change that makes my life definitely easier and makes it so much quicker to edit in Canva. Let's go to my screen and we'll take a look. I have here a lead magnet that I've done. What I want to show you is a simple one, but really helpful. If I hover over this area and click on it, you'll see it's grouped because it's asking if I want to ungroup it. Now before, if I wanted to edit any of this copy or change the background that I've used just to lift the text, I would have to ungroup everything and go in and do it, and then regroup it to make sure it was all together and not shifting. But now I don't have to do that. It's fantastic. All I need to do is click a couple of times, and you can see I've now got all these areas individually. So I can go to checklist, and if I wanted to, I could go and change the font from that, change it Century Gothic. We're going to undo that because I don't want it that. Let's find another text for that one. Let's do this one. And it just makes it so much quicker than having to ungroup everything and then group it all together. If I wanted to move it or change it, it would actually be held in one place. A very, very quick Canva tip today that I wanted to show you because it'll save you a lot of time. I hope that helped, and if you found this video useful, then please do subscribe, and I'll catch up with you next time with more helpful Canva tips.